Hello everyone, welcome to We Advise channels. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. By having the Gmail account, you can use it for communication efficiently. Okay, let's get started. First, go into the Gmail website, www.gmail.com. Then enter. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, the Gmails will direct you to this page. Then you just click on Create an Account here. As you can see, there are two options. The first one is for your personal use, and the second one for your work or businesses. In this topic, I'm going to show you how to create for your personal use email. Okay, click on it. Then the Gmail will ask you to put your name, including first name. Okay, for example here, I put Hadat. Then, the last name or family name, I just put Headlight. Okay? Then, click on the next. In this page, the Gmail will ask for your basic information, like your birthday and your genders. For example, in this video, I will put my birthday, February 1st, 1985, and my gender is male, okay? Then click on the next. After that, the Gmail will provide some option for you. The first one and the second one is the recommended email address for you. And the bottom one, you can create the Gmail account by yourself. When you click here, you need to put your required Gmail address. For example, I put my own Hadas 1234 all Hadas USA 1234 at gmail.com. Okay, this is my email address that I would like to create. Then I just click on the next. Okay, then the Gmail will ask you to create your personal password. In this password box, we recommended you to include the capital letter, small letter in English, and a number. Or you can add a character in combination to the letter and numbers for answering stronger password, okay? When I put the password, then I just click on the next. Okay, then Gmail will direct me to the phone number box. In this box, you need to put your mobile phone number so that the Gmail will send you a verification code. Okay? For example here, I will put my mobile phone here. Okay? After that, I just click on the next. After a few seconds, the Gmails will send you 6-digit verification code. When you get the verification code on your mobile phone, You just put the number you have received in this box within the time show below, okay? For example, in this video, I have received the Gmail verification code 42363. I put in this bar and then click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. If you didn't get the code, just click on the Get New Code here. Okay, then Gmail will ask you to put an alternative email. This alternative email will be used for Google to contact you if there is unusual activity in your account or you got locked out. Okay, in this video, I don't have the email address yet. Okay, so I don't need to put any email in the recovery email address. So I can click on the skip instead of putting the alternative emails. Okay, just click on the skip. Here we will get a new email address from the Gmails. My email address is hardususa1234@gmail.com. When I click on the next, Gmail will direct me to the term and conditions. In this page, you need to read carefully. After you agree with on the term and conditions in the Gmail page, then you just click on the agree button. Okay, then Gmail will direct you to the email inbox. In this Gmail page, you can see our email address here is hardususa1234@gmail.com. To create new email, just click on the compose. Okay, I would like to test by clicking on the compose button. Then I will test by putting my personal email that we have just create at the moment. hardususa1234@gmail.com. Okay, here is my email address. Then I put the subject as testing and the content as testing. Then click on the send button. Wait for a few seconds. You will see at the send item that the email have been sent to your personal email. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get notification for other useful video. Thank you.